On this episode of Maker Hack Shack, we show you how to dump RV tanks because it's getting funky in here. Let's get ready to go. Time to set sail. Time to pay up, sucker. That looks like a seaworthy vessel. Alright, time to get down to business. You'll definitely want to wear gloves for this one. First I hook up the hose so I can flush the black tank. Time to hook up the stinky slinky. Now we just open the valve and let gravity do the rest. Now close the black valve, open the gray valve, flush it out 2 or 3 times. Now just shake your hose around, make sure it's empty. Take your hose off, put your cap on, rinse out your hose thoroughly. Now just put your hoses away. That's all there is to it. Well, I hope this video is helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to tune in next time on the Maker Hack Shack.